there, this is Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am reviewing the Viviva watercolor pans. These pans are high quality watercolors that are in a cork, easy to use cork palette that they're about the size of my iPhone. They're a little bit smaller than an iPhone, and they're designed for all levels of art. Beginners to professional artists. They are vibrant, they're long lasting, and they're perfect for any kind of creative project. If you have a sketchbook or you're working on some paintings, these pans will go with you. They are, according to the website, they are light, fast, they do not fade, they are vegan and non-toxic. The pans are really crafted with contemporary artists in mind. So the pans are filled with these really rich, vibrant pigments, and they are considered professional grade watercolor, and they have a really compact design that makes them really easy to carry anywhere you're going. So you can watch me as I swatch these, and then I'm going to paint with them. My thoughts are I really like them for my sketchbook. I think that if you were painting out plein air, these are a great option. Even if you were just outside trying to do some quick sketches, these are easy to pack up and take with you. I just opened a new sketchbook, as you can see, and I am just making some random shapes to fill the page. And the colors are really vibrant. They just pop right off the page. And I like the paint, the quality of the paint. It's kind of dense, and sometimes it feels a little bit streaky, but when it dried, it looked like had a lot of texture to it, and I thought it was great. I also ended up adding some layers of color over it, and everything went pretty smoothly in terms of just adding paint on top of the layers. So I think overall I really like this, and I'll probably use it as an option for my sketchbooks in future iterations. I'll be showing you more of these, and I'm hoping to try to get a hold of some of the Viviva sheets of watercolor. So I'm going to try to review those for you in an upcoming video. So overall, I think for these, they are an affordable, reasonable option, and I recommend them. I'm going to keep working with them and see what else I can make with them. Okay, thanks so much for watching.